Hello, it's my great honor to introduce our company briefly. And the professional company was established on April 8th, 2020, and was listed as a public company in Malaysia, with a focus on becoming a leader and dynamic organization. Our company encouraged determination in various countries. Meanwhile, our skilled team is dedicated to meeting clients' needs, ensuring we deliver the first services possible. And our company provides facility management and property services across various industries in Malaysia, including integrated facilities management for buildings and so on. These wide services have made us one of the leading facilities management companies in the nation. So now let's see the company vision. We aim to be regional leaders for large-scale property development, while also offering comprehensive engineering and facility solutions to improve our communities. And our mission is to contribute to our customers by focusing on infrastructure development, construction, facility operations, and property development. Okay, now let me share our team members and me, Yao Hongyu, for the Chief Executive Officer, and Nazim for the Chief Operating Officer, and Wang Xu for the Chief Strategy Officer, and Arvid for the Director of Planning, Deborah for the Chief Financial Officer, and Chenming Huang for the Chief Marketing Officer. And now it's time for me to introduce our company services. Our company services include three main aspects: facility engineering maintenance services, and building and facility management and healthcare management services. Our principle is to make good service for all of our clients. For if you have one or more information, please don't hesitate to contact us.
Hi, I'm Min Huang. I'm so glad to introduce the customer information to you. The Micro is an American multinational corporation, a leading global provider of memory and storage solutions. The headquarters is located in USA. The Micro Memory Malaysia Sdn Bhd is located in Penang. It is a vital component of micro technology established in 2018 and has been integrated to micro operations. Micro Memory Malaysia Sdn Bhd specializes in assembly and testing of semiconductor memory products, ensuring higher reliability and performance. As a key center for the production and innovation of mobile memory modules, it also engages in packaging and testing and memory modules critical for the various electronic applications and supporting the diverse technological applications. The factory in Penang is approximately 140,000 square meters, so the building houses are very large and smart, including the memory operations, system integration and manufacturing system, and technical lab. The building also attained the USN Green Building LEED certification. Micro Memory Malaysia Sdn Bhd has committed to advancing user experience through the innovation across the key technological areas, enhancing the customer satisfaction and industrial advancement. That's all. Thank you.
Hi all, good day. I'm Devraj from Professionals and I'm representing a facility management team. So I'm here to present about proposed budgeting plan and strategy we need to expertise on this matter. So budgeting is one of our backbone for a project. So if a budget goes wrong, the whole project will be collapsed. So as a professional Sdn Bhd, we are proposing three strategies of budgeting. So first is perform a data collection and analyze in your market research. So analyze and research is one of the important strategy on budgeting. So second, determine strategy, marketing, planning, budget and allocation. So allocation planning is very important rule in budgeting strategy. So third, create a strategy of marketing action. So next, basically budgeting rules. So 50, 30, 20. So this rule have been proved and implemented in our projects. For example, in Malaysia, Excite Services is one of our construction services. So they are implemented this rule and have been successfully proved that 50-30 rules, budget rules, will be more convenient and more successful in the budgeting plan. So 50 client needs, 50% is our client needs. So always remember we need to put our client's budget needs above us. So 30% is a professional expenses, and last professional saving is our 20%. So my third slide will be presenting the budget allocation for this project. So first of all, material. So we are focusing on highly quality material that satisfy their client. So we are allocating 36.4%. Second, manpower. So we always ensure we have a sufficient manpower at all the times until a successful complete project has been handed. So 18.2% is allocated. So third, quality control. So 18.2% allocated. We ensure our clients are happy with the quality of the project and having a second source of opinion. So fourth, procurement. So 18.2. So procurement is always need a first class and a best class of a process. So fourth, logistic. So 9.1. So logistic, all the logistics will be handled specifically by our team, ensuring there are no delays in this project. So that's all from my for my presentation for this budgeting plan. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Wang Xu. I'm gonna identify the physical assets and the risks. The goal of our company is to make our clients' workplaces safe, healthy, and green. Due to the increasing needs of Micron's product, our client decided to hire more staff. The current workshops and the office buildings are not enough, so establishing new buildings is required. First, let's see what physical assets they have. I roughly categorize three physical assets: building and the real estate, infrastructure, and equipment. Buildings and the real estate includes all office buildings, workshops, parking lots, and any land they own. In infrastructure, these are the systems like mm, power, water, air conditioning systems. Yeah, they keep the building running. In terms of equipment, just like machineries in the workshop, office building, office equipment, vehicles, and maintenance tools. Now let's talk about the risks they might face. We will look at safety, health, and green issues. Safety first. Everyone knows that, right? I will show you some examples. First example is that electrical faults can cause fires. The second example is that if flammable materials stored wrongly, they can be very dangerous. The third example is that fire equipment that doesn't work is actually useless. Mm, let's keep staff healthy. For instance, sitting for long periods can hurt our backs and necks. Another example is that bad lighting can strain our eyes, and furthermore, poor air quality inside office building is bad for our health. And being green is important. Actually, wasting energy is bad for the environment and it is costly. Furthermore, if the waste is not stored and recycled properly, it can create pollution.
Hi everyone. So now I'll be presenting about risk assessment, which consists of hierarchy process. So risk assessment is a very necessary, important part of facility management, as it ensures a very safe place for the employees to work. Okay, so it consists of a few steps. First, we will classify the work activities for each process that happening in a workplace. Then we will do consultation with the representative or managers who are well known about the work activities. Then we'll find out the potential hazards. So based on the hazards, we will do risk assessment whether it is the possibility of that hazard happening, whether it is high has high potential or medium potential or very low potential. Then based on that, we will come up with control action plan. So for each hazard, what is the control action plan? So the last step will be implementing. In the case of the hazard occurrence, then we will readily have the control action plan, so which we will use to overcome that hazard. Next, we will be exploring the safety concerns, which is a part of risk assessment. So our first concern is the flooring inspection. Okay, when it comes to flooring inspection, we'll make sure that the lightings are sufficient in the new facility that we are going to build, because lighting ensures that the employee can give their maximum potential. Okay, next will be ensuring that there's no trailing leads or cables at the corridors or the workplace. Next is we make sure that the stairways or corridors are free from any obstruction. Okay, when it comes to the next concern, which is equipment handling, we'll make sure that the shelves are free from heavy objects on the top, because when heavy objects fall down, it will cause a very big injuries. Then we'll make sure that all the mechanical safeguards are fitted properly, and we also ensure deliveries are handled appropriately. Next concern is ergonomics. As mentioned earlier, ergonomic is a very important concern of Micron Sdn Bhd, because they want to make sure that the employees are very comfortable to give their maximum potential in their daily work. So first we have to we'll make sure that all the employees have adjustable chairs. Next, we'll monitor the employee posture, access, and display screen equipment. And finally, when it comes to electrical safety, we'll inspect the cables and plugs are properly placed. Then we also inspect the placement of extensions. And finally, we will review the reporting procedure of defective equipment, because this is very important part, where anywhere anyone detected any defective equipment, there must be a proper SOP for them to follow, and action to be taken to replace the defective equipment. So this must be set earlier. So
Proposal for Micron Memory Malaysia Sdn Bhd. In aiding the needs of Micron, Professional Sdn Bhd has come out with a layout plan that focusing in safety, ergonomic, and green workspace, sustainability, and ESG strategy. As of safety, ergonomic space ensures safety and efficiency so that employees will be able to work to their full potential. Concept: to reduce the risk of work-related musculoskeletal disorder by reducing or eliminating worker exposure to hazard that promotes WMSSD, following all requirements in Uniform Building Bylaws and Person with Disabilities, including regulations made by Factories and Machineries Act 1967. As of for proposal and ergonomic and greenery workspace, high usage of office chair with high lumbar support, an activated gas cylinder which uses your body weight to compress the gas downwards when the handle is released. The compressed gas is released and chair rises. For women, style of tilt is called knee tilt and is highly desirable, and also for people with light frame. Reduce average sick days per employee with green environment in the surroundings. Increased productivity level whereby the environment you work is very psychologically engaging. Eye soothing color preset in the green space. Ways to improve Micron Batu Kawan. Okay, the suggestions that made by professionals in Sdn Bhd is in terms of safety, HSE committees value zero repeat injuries, priority, and instinctual acts. And in terms of workspace, educate on sustainability importance, optimize workplace with ESG, environmental social governance policies, green environment, zero waste communal and break areas, and motion sensors for lighting. Whereas finally, in terms of amenities, office amenities enhance the workplace environment, employee experience, and productivity. They encompass physical well-being, mental health, convenience, collaboration, and technology features. Benefits include improved engagement, productivity, workplace culture, and reduced stress. So the amenities that deliver highest effectiveness and experience impact is innovation hub, makerspace, quiet tech-free zone, outdoor workspaces, focus rooms, work cafe, phone room, library and cafeteria and break room and lounges.